Algorand's EMA10 explicitly shows an exceptionally descending pattern, which sort of is very huge. As far as Algo support floor, it generally is currently 29 cents in an especially huge manner. Algo especially rose 19.45% in 7 days, which for the most part is very huge. Algorand truly is buy and buy esteemed at 24 cents 23 December 2023. In this article, we will sort of walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these habitually truly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what is truly transient cost expectation for Algorand. Explicitly is Algo in an every practical sense, wise venture, which really is very critical. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Algo specialized examination, all things considered, let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in an all things considered, enormous way. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,659,359,381 in a very significant manner. In every practical sense, complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $54,944,631,622, amazingly. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they explicitly thought. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, all things considered, further appearance how Algorand's EMA10 really shows a very descending pattern in a kind of large manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value reduction of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span in a very enormous manner. BNB, the by and large local coin of BNB, basically is somewhere near 0.4 and at present exchanging at $268.25, showing how BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB, generally is somewhere near 0.4 and as of now exchanging at $268.25 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.81% in esteem. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a kind of descending heading for genuinely present moment, so as far as Algo support floor, it in a real sense is currently 29 cents, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a genuinely broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how the very complete exchanging volume truly remains at $54,944,631,622, which essentially is very critical. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Support really is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of additional appearance, how Algorand's EMA10 sort of shows a sort of descending pattern, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants generally become most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The truly current Algorand cost truly is 24 cents, with an exchanging volume of $154,260,814 in the truly beyond 24 hours, exceptionally further appearance, how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Presently, Algo for the most part is up by 4.11% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,932,483,480 United States dollars, showing how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span, which sort of is genuinely critical. Algorand Value Investigation Algo Cost Examination for 23 December 2023, inside an everyday time span, sort of made sense of underneath, showing how support especially is a level at which purchasers sort of become considerably more all things considered, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Especially further appearance how Algorand's EMA10 especially shows an exceptionally descending pattern, which certainly is very critical. We use in every way that really matters, relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the Algorand. So yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Algo specialized examination, especially let us sort of discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. The Algorand especially has certainly break all its especially upholds levels, and things most certainly are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, which in a real sense shows that right now, a very broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Showing how the by and large complete exchanging volume truly remains at $54,944,631,622 in an essentially enormous manner. As of now, explicitly bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively especially take algo cost beneath the vital help level of 29 cents. Exhibiting how the Algorand for the most part has sort of break all its basically upholds levels and things in every practical sense are not looking truly really great for the crypto market, which generally shows that right now, a general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how the in every practical sense. All-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $54,944,631,622 in an all things considered significant way. While Algo's Williams % R pointer most certainly is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign truly is especially conceivable at this reach, showing how furthermore XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.81% in esteem, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Algo United States dollar moving especially normal union and uniqueness MACD marker essentially is demonstrating an especially present moment in every practical sense. Sell kind of sign as the MACD line generally is moving underneath especially signal line, which most certainly implies most certainly bears explicitly are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The especially current Algorand cost in every practical sense is 24 cents. With an exchanging volume of $154,260,814 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, further appear